Okay, we have this trimmer and it's not working. First problem was the battery, and I put a good battery in it and the motor is running. Problem is the moving blade is missing here. It needs two blades for functioning. It has a fixed blade and a moving one. You see the moving parts is not in here, so I don't know. So what can I do? So now we can purchase a new blade and replace this blade. Okay, but the problem is the price of blade is more than $3, but we can purchase full brand new trimmer, full set, charger, blade, new blade, clip set, everything only $4. So I think blade replacement is not a good idea. You can remove this blade part and you can use it as a mini drill machine or rotary tool and something like this. I think I should use it here, and color is same. It will look fantastic, it will look good, and it works fine too. So at first I have to remove this blade from body. To screw removed, blade, spring, and disconnect all these things very easily. Now we have to remove this thing. It removed easily, no problem at all. Drill motor is running, so we have to attach our attachment. This one or this one, which one we should use? Motor shaft is very small. We cannot use this one without removing this part. Problem moving, but it doesn't look good, very good. It doesn't look very good because body is golden color and here is silver. I think it's not a problem. If it's work, then it's okay. But we can cut this in here and use it as a cover, and it will work too. Finally, cut this piece and sand it smoothly as we required. So I will put it back in here so it looks fine. Nice screw, nice and fit. But this one will not fit in here, so we use this one instead. First do screw, then put it here all the way. Screw, tight this screw. Okay, one another thing I can do for fit this, maybe I can check my storage if I have some screw with flat head. It's some bumped up, and this is why we cannot fit this thing. Okay, so we didn't find any replacement screw for this with flat head, so we cannot keep this. And this jack doesn't work very well. It's vibrating so much and wobbling around, so I'll try this one. Okay, it's not vibrating too much. Let's see with some attachment. Oh my god, it works perfectly with this setup. I will attach some sandpaper in here and see how it performs. Nicely disconnect the screws. I will cut two pieces. Nice. Now it's working fine. No vibration. Nice. Happy with it. Fantastic. Thank you for your time.